Hi, we're sorry you were not selected to purchase the Air Jordan 1 Low Trophy Room rookie card aways with limited stock and high entrance, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. Pretty much your boy got another L, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. I hope you guys are having a good day other than the people that did take a huge L today on probably one of the most hype releases of the year, the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 Lows. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do real quick for your boy, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. We're gonna be talking about the resale prices. You should pull the trigger now, and the second chance we will be getting for these trophy rooms later this March. And if you ain't got nothing to say throughout this entire video, the whole time of me talking, man, all I ask you guys to do is drop some fiery emojis in the comment section. That helps the algorithm, that helps support the channel. So if you ain't got nothing to say, man, drop them fire emojis down below. And I do have a huge question for all of you guys. Did you take a W or a L on these Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 Lows? Hopefully you guys let me know. Let's get some interaction down below in the comment section, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, guys, so you seen what happened today, man. The Air Jordan 1 Low Trophy Rooms did release today. They let a lot of those pairs, the emails go first. Let the emails go out first. It was about midnight my time when I got that notification. I said, man, I cannot wait to come up on here and talk to you guys about how history is repeating itself. And if you guys remember the first initial video, I talked about the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 Lows. I said, Nike, Jordan Brand, just get all of the pairs, get the most pairs you can from Trophy Room in Orlando and sell them on the Nike sneakers app. That'll make it a little bit more fair and not having the same people get to shoot over and over and over again. Because it seems like every Trophy Room release that comes out, the same people are getting them. But to keep it a little bit more fair, the whole EQL stuff, it don't work. They didn't do the EQL for the first Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. They just, put your information in, you just wait out for an email for some time to come, and then you knew about a couple hours later that you took an L on the freeze out Air Jordan 1 highs. That's probably my favorite. That's probably one of my highest grails on the list right now. I really want that pair. Every time I see the homie D Guy Drew show him on his story, I'm like, bro, I want to pull that trigger, but my maturity is keeping me from buying that shoe. But like I said, man, they didn't do no EQL raffle back then. The EQ raffle is not working today. With $2.30, that ain't working, bro. It's definitely not working. But to keep it a little bit more fair, if you think about it, Nike already does sort of a raffle on the Nike sneakers app. So you get as many pairs you can on the sneakers app and let people complain about that, you feel me? I feel like that's a little bit more fair in the terms of, having a fair shot at getting them, because according to Nike, it's literally a random, algorithm on how they pick the people that do win some of these hype releases on the raffles, or as Nike calls them, the draw. So that's my huge solution to this entire issue. I know Nike ain't listening to me. I know you probably think I'm crying. I'm not crying. If I really did want this shoe, I would just buy them again, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm trying to be responsible. I ain't trying to spend a crazy amount of money for any shoes. But if I really, really want a shoe, trust me, your boy could get them. Like I said, I don't want to sound like I'm crying. I'm speaking for you guys, the Vintage Squad. I feel like you have a better shot at least trying to attempt to get them on a sneakers app rather than trying to hit on the Trophy Room store, because like I said, man, history repeats itself. It's L's after L's after L's, and especially if they're doing it off this EQL raffle draw system that they have going on. Like I told you guys, man, I did want to touch up on the resale when I think that you should buy them. And disclaimer, you can spend your money however you want to spend it. This is just my advice. This is what I will be doing myself. I'm gonna check on StockX right now just to see the price, to see what it's hitting for. And as I'm checking right now on StockX, they are going for, in my size 9, $514. You guys see it, bro, 514 bucks. So that tells me one or two things. One, the price has definitely dropped from the first initial, pairs being uploaded on StockX and Go. First, my size going for like $600, $700, $800 when they first initially got on there. And now we got to the Trophy Room release date, and they're going for 500 bucks. So hopefully the price does dip, given the fact, like I said, we do have another opportunity to cop these Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 Lows later this month. So shouts out to Family Vibe Discord. That's where I get most of my information as far as restock, shock drops, especially like releases like this, the trophy rooms. There will be roughly 30 to 50,000 pairs of the trophy room one lows to release on the Nike Sneakers app. And I feel like that release will go a little bit more smoothly. You will know within what, 15, 20 minutes, even 30 minutes, because I feel like lately Nike has been delaying the process of letting people know they got a WRL. That will be happening, like I said, March the 21st. And that's when I myself will be eyeing to purchase a pair of the trophy room one lows. Like I said, it's not guaranteed that you will hit on the 21st of March for the Nike Sneakers app on these Jordan 1 lows, but it is a strong possibility that the resale, like I showed you guys, my size now is 500. I definitely think we can see it within that 380, $420 price range, which is a lot better than what we originally seen as far as the prices on these guys. Like I said, you don't gotta take my advice if you don't want to. That's something I will be following myself. So here within the next week of, you know what I'm saying, now and the trophy room one low release on the Sneakers app, that's when I'm gonna be seeing, gauging the resale market and seeing when I'm gonna be myself copping them joints. Because who don't like them, bro? It's definitely like, you know, a reverse black toe. You guys know I doubled up on the black toes, but you got a lot more going on with the shoe, a lot more, you know what I'm saying, craftsmanship. You got a story behind the shoe, something I definitely eye on certain releases. So hopefully, like I said, your boy will be snagging and securing these things, add them to the collection. But again, make sure you guys go join Family Vibe Discord. I'm gonna tag their Instagram down below, especially if you guys want to get information on restocks, shock drops, exclusive access, all that good stuff. Family Vibe Discord got you guys covered. So yeah, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair. Did you get a W or did you get a huge L on these trophy room one lows? I'm very interested in knowing. I want to see the interaction down below. And again, if you got nothing else to say, man, drop some fire emojis. Let's keep that interaction up. Let's keep the vibes up and keep the positivity spread throughout the sneaker community, man. I will be doing a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 3 Green Glows tomorrow. Give you guys a little bit of early, you know, look at the on feet, seeing if you guys will be snagging them. If you already know if you're gonna be pulling that trigger on these guys, go ahead and comment that down below. Definitely gonna be a sleeper drop of 2024 and definitely a sleeper drop of March. I can see a lot of people going back and grabbing these things later on in the year. Well, maybe you can get these at the Nike outlets, who knows. So again, man, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, leave a huge like on today's video. And again, man, I appreciate y'all taking time out your day, see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. And again, history is repeating itself. These trophy room releases are just getting worse and worse. Again, man, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in. All's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.